Hi team, EMOCARE provides the world-class internship in the area of psychology, counseling and psychotherapy. EMOCARE is world's first chain of counseling centers. We have counseling centers and also the training centers in all these areas. We provide the internship in various ways. For example, you may be a psychology student, either doing psychology in distance mode or through a regular mode. You may like to improve your skills in psychology, counseling, or psychotherapy, and you may like to undergo a internship on your own, maybe for 15 days or 1 month or 2 months. This will be done as per your requirement. Apart from that, you may be studying in a college through distance mode or regular mode. For example, you may be studying in IGNU. We provide internship as per the requirement of the college students, whether it is IGNU or any other university or any other college. So far, we have conducted internship for more than 700 students in 2024 in the field of psychology, counseling and psychotherapy. So whatever may be the duration the college wants, maybe 15 days or 1 month or 2 months or even 240 days, we provide the internship. Suppose, for example, you would like to improve your career in psychology and you would like to undergo a internship online. We are having a 8 months internship in counseling, psychotherapy and life coaching, which will cover 30 therapies in all together, and you will learn practical counseling in that 8 months duration. So that is one of the thing which we are doing. 8 months internship in the field of counseling and psychotherapy. Moreover, we are also conducting a internship during summer every year. This internship will be for the period of 1 month, and you will be guided, you will be given training and practical exposure to counseling during this 1 month. This is structured in such a way that you are able to do the youth coaching simultaneously. So these are the various aspects which EMOCARE is doing. Now, what are the benefits of joining the EMOCARE internship? When you join a 15 days internship, you can choose any one of the independent therapy and we will train you practically in that. You may choose either CBT or EBT, NLP from this list, whatever you want or whatever is not available here. Any one therapy, you will be trained practically in that 15 days time. Suppose if you are choosing 30 days time, you will get trained in two therapies. So likewise, it increases with the days. If it is 15 days, one therapy completely it will be trained. And one of the very unique feature of our internship is you will be observing minimum 3 counseling in 15 days. That is, when I am doing counseling or my team members when they do counseling, you can observe the counseling, how that we are doing. We are doing counseling about many aspects every day. We are doing pre-marital, post-marital, depression counseling. All these aspects of counseling we are doing on a day-to-day basis, and which you may be able to observe. That is for 15 days program, 3 sessions you can observe when we are doing. Not only that, when you attend a 15 days of the internship with us, you will get a certificate for internship and also you will get a certificate that you are a youth coach of India. Now, till completion of MSc Psychology, you may not be able to do counseling, but you may be able to do youth coaching. Today, youth have several problems. In your own college, students may be suffering from academical issues, behavioral issues, emotional issues, love failures, etc., etc. For all these aspects, a student directly he may not go to a counselor. Maybe they may share it with their friends, and if that friend is you, you will be the youth coach. So you may be able to uh, appropriately guide the person and take him to a appropriate uh, counselor or psychotherapist or psychiatrist. So you will get the youth coach certification along with internship certification. Now, all these 15 days, whatever we train you, everything will be trained through case studies, because EMOCARE, we do counseling, we also do training. Since we are doing counseling on an everyday basis, we may be able to train you on the practical aspects of counseling skills through case studies. Now, when you join the internship, you will also get opportunity to showcase your talent through site talk, which we conduct every Sunday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. so that your stage fear will go out and you become a trainer also. This is the one and only company, EMOCARE, which provides this particular aspect. That is, any one online training you will be getting free of cost when you join the 15 days training program or the 15 days internship. For example, 15 days internship or 30 days internship, when you join, you will get one online class therapy absolutely free. Maybe that may be hypnosis, that may be play therapy, that may be art therapy, anything. When we conduct, you can join absolutely free of cost. Now, this is the certificate you will get when you join as a youth coach. That is, when you join as an internship, you will be given the certification as you are a youth coach. Further, we have a WhatsApp group in which only internship students are there, where we will be giving you the lifelong support. Lifelong support means all the free programs, whatever we conduct, the links will be shared. Every week we do site talk, that link will be shared. And if you want to conduct any session in the site talk, you can contact us through the group or through personal window, and we will arrange. And all the site talk, whatever we conduct, the recording also you will get it in the WhatsApp group. That is lifelong learning. Okay, now when you do all these things, what happens is your brand starts building even when you are studying. Now let us see what are the credentials of EMOCARE. The credential which EMOCARE is having, no company in India is having. I can tell 100%, no company in India is having. Now, what are the credentials? EMOCARE is registered with CTAA, that is Complementary Therapist Accredited Association. And it is also approved by Skill Development Council, Canada. So it is having international affiliations for the first thing. The second aspect, EMOCARE is just like your TCS or Cognizant, because we are also registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Most of the places where you learn counseling, it is just a MSME registered. MSME registration has no validity, because MSME today someone can do and tomorrow they can close. But to start a company, you need certain legal requirements. There is something called a DIN is required. So I cannot close the company just like that. So the companies which are registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, It is having highest validity, and most of the companies in India, either it is an MSME registered or NGO, and it is not Ministry of Corporate Affairs registered. Economic Times have awarded EMOCARE for the best innovative company, and out of 1250 companies, we have come at the top 5, and we finished at 2. Our company is ISO certified, and our company, that is EMOCARE, is approved by Startup India and registered with Startup India. Asia Pacific Excellence Award was given to EMOCARE for our service in counseling. All these aspects are related to business. Now, this is business to customers. EMOCARE is the only company in the world, I am telling you, in the world, to have 3,200 plus reviews in Google. Most of the companies, they don't even have 1,000, or they don't have even 500. 3,200 5 stars in Google, which says that EMOCARE is a people certified organization. EMOCARE, the name, is a brand as far as the psychology field is concerned. Just look at the comments in this YouTube. In the comments, I have given the feedback given by the internship students, which you can go through before deciding to join in this wonderful internship, which we are providing in various formats. And if at all you want to join, WhatsApp to 919962163122. EMOCARE, the head office, it is in Chennai, and we are having experienced psychologist, senior psychologist in our branch. For example, for female people, we are having the senior psychologist K. Reshma, and also we have Jayapriya, and we are also have Kenny, who is also a psychologist. So we have the greatest talents of the youth, and join internship at EMOCARE and see that your professional graph is going high, very high. Thank you very much.